Unleashing Performance Max in 2024. Here's 6 rules to unlocking the Google Ads Performance Max AI beast without getting eaten. Hello friends, buckle up because we're diving into the Google Ads jungle, specifically the one ruled by the mighty Performance Max. Now, this AI-powered beast can be your best friend or your budget blender. So how do we tame it in 2024? Let's crack the code. Rule number 1. Feed the beast data. PMax thrives on information. Give it juicy conversion tracking, rich audience signals, and clear goals. Think of it like training a puppy. The more specific you are, the better it performs. Rule number 2. Unleash the asset zoo. Text, images, videos. Throw everything in. The more variety, the more PMax can experiment and find your audience's sweet spot. Don't be afraid to mix and match. PMax is the Picasso of ad creation. Rule number 3. Whisper, don't shout. Ditch the keywords. Instead, guide PMax with search themes. Think broad topics, not exact phrases. It's like giving your friend a general area to explore, not an address to knock on. Rule number 4. Listen to the AI oracle. PMax throws recommendations at you like confetti. Don't just auto-apply. Analyze them, test them, and see what resonates. Remember, you're the captain, not the AI puppet. Rule number 5. Don't let cannibalism run wild. PMax can get overzealous and show your ads to the same folks already seeing your other campaigns. Tame the beast with negative keywords and ad group organization. Keep things neat and avoid internal clashes. And here's a bonus tip. Don't be afraid to experiment. PMax is all about testing and adapting. Test different budgets, bidding strategies, and ad formats. Embrace the unknown, and you might just unlock the hidden performance treasures. So there you have it, folks. By following these best practices, you can turn PMax from a jungle monster into your loyal advertising sidekick. Remember, trust the AI, but trust your instincts too. And hey, if things get hairy, give me a shout via the links below to back you up. Now go and conquer the Google Ads landscape. Want even more Google Ads wisdom? Follow me on my social media for daily tips and tricks.